Carpenter bees are species in the genus Xylocopa of the subfamily Xylocopinae. The common name carpenter bee derives from their nesting behavior. Xylocopa pubescens is a species of large carpenter bee. Females are large and shiny, black with a yellow marking on their heads. Males are smaller than females, distinguished by a narrow head and yellow pubescence that cover their entire bodies. Females form nests by excavation with their mandibles, often in dead or soft wood. Xylocopa pubescens is commonly found in areas extending from India to Northeast and West Africa. Xylocopa pubescens cannot forage in temperature below 18 degrees Celsius, likely due to the energy needed to maintain body heat for their large size. It gathers both nectar and pollen from plants in the spring, summer, and fall. In the winter, only nectar is gathered and foraging can only be accomplished on warm days. Mutualism is observed between pubescents. Xylocopa pubescens is also able to avoid revisiting plants on which that has already foraged by marking the plant with pheromones. Breeding season is early March to November. Colony starts and ends with female takeover, either by daughters of the dominant female or by foreign intruders. There is only one reproductively active female in a colony at a time who suppress the reproduction of other females in the nest. Males hold individual territories which females enter to mate. When an intruder enters another male's territory, the male responds aggressively. Females in search of nesting sites are attracted to existing holes in wood materials where nests are usually formed. If the hole is an occupied and guarded nest, the guarding bee will block the entrance. Eggs are laid on bee breads in short tunnels in the nest, each containing 1 to 3 progeny each.